Hello Vivekians, welcome to your third day of school from home. Hope you all are doing well. That's Priya, your science teacher, along with your milestone course book of science volume 1, and we were doing your chapter number 1, that is Plants Our Green Friends. So, let's have a quick throwback of what we had understood till yet. So, we had learned about the different kinds of plants and their various parts. Moreover, we had learned about the different parts of the leaf along with their functions in details, and we had learned about the process of photosynthesis through the help of this simple diagram and along the contribution of the leaves in the process of photosynthesis on your page number 3. So, we had studied some unusual plants also like crotons and cactus, and some saprophytic plants like mushroom and molds that depends upon the dead and decaying substances for their growth and development. So now, let us continue with your today's topic, that is, do plants eat, on your page number 4 in the Let's Find Out section, and next is that your experiment number 2 on your page number 5. So now, come to your page number 4, write down the today's date on your Let's Find Out section. Those who are having the books, just simply write the date. Those who are not having, no need to worry, we will provide you the screenshots. So, as I had already told you, the process of photosynthesis, this is the process of making the food in the plants, by which they can prepare their food. So, if they are preparing their food, then they will eat it also. अगर वो अपना खाना बना रहे हैं तो definitely उस खाने को खाएंगे भी. So, as I had told you, that plants produce the sugar named as glucose during the food making process, so they uses this glucose for their growth and their development as well. Just like the human beings require the food to survive, same in the case of the plants, they also need their food for their growth. So, what they will eat? They will eat the glucose. They will not eat the fruits and the vegetables just like we eat in our daily routine. Now, let me ask you one question, that whenever you feel hungry and your mother prepares some food for you, then where she will store that extra food? Maybe she will store that in any utensil or any container perhaps. Same in the case of plants, they will store this glucose or their extra food in their fruits, leaves and roots in the form of starch. Okay students, now let's come to your did you know section. So according to this, in some plants, we just eat their stems and leaves for getting their nutrition. But in some plants like carrots and radish, we just eat their roots for gaining the nutrition from them. कुछ प्लांट्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनकी हम स्टेम्स और लीफ को खाते हैं उनसे न्यूट्रिशन लेने के लिए, बट कैरेट्स और रेडिश में हम उनकी रूट्स को खाते हैं उनसे न्यूट्रिशन लेने के लिए. सो हियर वी कैन कंक्लूड दैट food is nutritious for our body as it makes us healthy and it helps us to grow also. You need to eat enough food and vegetables or fruits daily so that you can make your body fit and healthy as well. Now, let's come to your experiment number 2 on your page number 5. As I have already told you that plants may store their food in the form of starch. Now, here you are going to understand this experiment further. So, the material required for this is a potato slice, a dropper, few drops of iodine solution and a bowl. And what will be the procedure for this? You are going to take that slice of potato and after that you are going to pour some drops of iodine solution on it. Okay students, and after that what you will do? You will observe it carefully and after that you are going to record your observations and you will write here in this my findings section. Okay, so let us have a look on the small video for understanding this experiment even better. And after that, you are going to do this your homework. This is your homework that is given below. Okay, so
Few
let's
drops
have a
of
look.
iodine solution produces a color change of potato to bluish black. This indicates the presence of starch.
So, draw and write the names of the food items that are prepared from potatoes. So, what you are going to do over here in these blanks, you are going to write the names of the items that are prepared from potatoes, and in this box, you are going to draw little diagrams of the items that are prepared from the potatoes. Okay, students, one more homework we are having for you in your practice book, and what you are going to do in that, you are going to see this figure, you are going to study this picture that is given here, and after that you are going to complete the sentences that we will show you. So let's have a look on the sentences. Dash is the process by which plants make their food. They use the dash from the sun, which is trapped by the green colored pigment in the leaves called dash. They also use dash from the soil and the gas called dash from the air. During this process, the gas called dash is released into the air. The food prepared by the leaves is a sugar called dash. So students, this is all about today. Now it's a request to you to please read this chapter again and again thoroughly. Only then you will get to understand it about even better. And parents, it is a humble request to kindly assist your vote only. Don't do their work, let them do themselves. If you don't have the books, you can do this work in your notebooks as well. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.